It's Bill here from Melbourne City Maintenance. I just got to this glorious city of Melbourne here to do a repair in an apartment in one of the massive towers that you can see behind us. And the tenant of this place basically accidentally just damaged the wall, put a hole in the wall, and they're looking at moving out. And in order to get their bond back, they need to have the wall repaired. So we are going to go in and do the plaster repair. We were in here yesterday, we picked up a sample of the colour and we took it to the paint store. We got the colour matched, and now we have the exact colour that the wall originally was, so that when we paint it after we do the repair in the plasterboard, nobody's going to be able to tell the difference. So now the tenant who has their landlord's best interests at heart is going to get their bond back, and the landlord is going to get an amazing wall and won't know that it was even damaged. So if you have plaster repairs that you need done in the city of Melbourne, give me a call. If you have painting that needs to be done in the city of Melbourne, give me a call. We'll basically come out, we'll check it out, we'll sort it out, and you can be comfortable knowing that you'll get your bond back and you won't have any dramas from your landlord or from the leasing agent. Call Bill on 0403 162 374 and I'll come and sort it out. Also, if you just look below this video on the page that you're on, you'll see that we have a link to our Google reviews. Check out and see our Google reviews, the kind of work that we do and the things that people have to say about us. Really look forward to hearing from you.